Hey, Jonathan here with Central Sound. Here I have a Beats Studio headphones. I have a cooling gel ear pad installed on this here. Now this is a Studio 2 model, but also this is compatible with Studio 3. So this is a new product that we're launching at centralsound.co. If you're interested in checking them out, you can look right up there. And there should be a link there where you can check out the listing. Now, these are cooling gel. So there is a layer of cooling gel underneath this ice cloth. It's called ice cloth, which is a different type of material to keep your head and your ears cool. And also it has double stitching all the way around here to keep it nice and solid, handcrafted quality and construction. So they are a bit deeper than the standard ear pads. So I have a standard ear pad installed on here. You can see here it's all falling apart, crumbling, and this one is the new one. So I'm going to show you actually how to install this ear pad as well. So the cooling gel ear pads we have at centralsound.co. New product we're just launching, so come check it out. So I have a tool here, it's called a spudger. It has a small flat, and we're going to use that to remove this old ear pad. So we got the new ear pad, the new cooling gel ear pad here. The old ear pad is looking pretty rough, guys, looking really rough. We're going to get that off here and put the new ear pad on. So first thing you want to do is insert this tool right. I'm going to start here at the bottom, and you want to insert it right in the middle, in between that silver ring and the ear pad. So the ear cup and the ear pad, just like that. And you want to push it in there and then apply some pressure and then pry up. So be careful, you do not want to crack or damage the plastic, and you just kind of work your way all the way around. You'll hear it start to peel off, which is a good sign. If you hear the peeling sound, it's a good sign. Cracking sound, not a good sign. Okay, so I have this partially peeled, loosened, so once it is, you can use your hands and just peel off the rest. And there it is. So there's some old adhesive stuck to it there. We're gonna try to peel off as much as we can. I'm gonna get that off there. And if yours is stuck on there, you can use alcohol or even hand sanitizer. It's got alcohol in it. That'll work to loosen it up. So if you don't have alcohol around the house, with rubbing alcohol, get some hand sanitizer. And okay, so now we're gonna put the new ear pad on. So here I have the Beats Studio cooling gel ear pads, new product launch at centralsound.co. Excellent upgrade from the original type of ear pads. So it has a 3M backing here, the adhesive. So all you gotta do is just peel this off. Super easy. If I could get it, there we go. It's getting it. All right, here it goes. So you just peel that off. Now you can see here that there are a few different holes in here, and you need to make sure that those line up with these little plastic notches, these little posts, I should say. So this seam here goes on the bottom part. So you want to line it up with either your charge port like area, or if you have this auxiliary jack. So this is a Studio 2, but these also fit on Studio 3 as well. So you just want to line that up the best you can. Make sure that that seam's on the bottom part. And then, all right, so there we go. It's all lined up. And you just want to apply some pressure all the way around. Really get it on there. Make sure it's on there nice and tight. And then you're going to want to also let this dry, I'd say probably for a day or so, to make sure the adhesive is really on there. You can still wear them and stuff, but you know, it does take a little while for it to really set in. So that is the ear pad installed. Once again, these are the cooling gel ear pads by Central Sound. And this is a red set, and this is a Studio 2, but these also fit, once again, on the Studio 3, Beats Studio 3 headphones. So we only have black available right now. And you can check us out, centralsound.co. Have a great day.